Mwanya, this is already 1 year. Already 1 year! And you are still not showing any sign.
My king, I don't know. It bothers me too.
It bothers you indeed. I doubt it. I doubt it. Or there is still something you are not telling me.
My king.
Stop calling me your king. Stop it. Put forth to bed. That is what every other woman does. Do it. Do it.
Your Highness. You know, when our son Ekubo becomes the next king, I'm sure he's going to bring in a lot of changes that will be beneficial to this kingdom.
I believe so. But only if he can give me a listening ear. Yes. What is it?
Your queen has just given birth to a beautiful goddess.
What?
She
My
has
wife has
arrived
delivered?
Yes.
Take me to her! Take me to her! I am coming. I'm coming.
No. No. It's not possible. It's not possible! How can she give birth? I tried my possible best. Sumezu, you're a failure. What should I do next?
What is that? You cannot open your mouth to greet?
Greetings, Her Majesty.
Now you listen to us and adhere to our instructions. See those beads? You take them back to Mwanya's quarters. And then you come back. We send you on errands. Did you hear her? Or you have suddenly become deaf?
My queen, I am sorry, but we cannot oblige you. We only oblige one person, and that person is...
That's shush! Shut up! How dare you? Who are you? If care is not taken, I will feed your cups to the night birds. Wretched, stupid maiden. You oblige who? That miserable, wretched...
That wretched, miserable one has a name. Her name is Queen Mwanya, the shining sun of Umurutu clan.
When you are done, you'll follow my daughter. She will tell you what to do.
They take orders from just one person, and that is me.
Shall I remind you that before you stepped your filthy feet into this palace, they adhered to my biddings?
I know. But that was then, not anymore.
We shall see.
please.
Move it.
What was that?
Better move. My friend, stand up.
Please don't hurt me, please.
Move it.
Now let her go. Leave her alone. Let her go.
But we are sent by the prince of this land to bring her to the palace.
Go tell your prince that I refuse you from maltreating anyone, especially an innocent one in this community.
And we will not do that.
You will not do that. Are you still here? Are you still here? Are you hurt?
No, I'm not.
Now remember, anyone who fights you or any other orphan in Umurutu kingdom has me to contend with. Now go.
May God bless you.
Yes, you too.
May God bless you.
Obiajuno, I can see you both are having a good time. Remember, we have to go check our traps. At least to see if we get some bushmeat today.
Oh. That is true. But you know what? I'll come after you. Just go, eh? Go. I'll meet you there. Just go.
It will be best we go together.
Before you will say I have removed the meat. You will say I have removed the meat. Let us go. He will say I know him. He will say I have removed the bush meat from the trap. Let us go. Let us go.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Father, I tell you, she cost me. She caused me that I shall ever be less than her witch of a daughter.
How do you mean my wife caused you?
She did. Right in my presence. She told me that I am nothing. She said she would take everything away from us and give to her daughter. She says she would strip us of royalty. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what she has given to you that has made you not see what is happening.
This can never happen.
Then do something. Father. You can send her away. You can beat her. You can curse her, whatever. But just put her in her place.
My king, you sent for me.
Now listen, Maya. Listen. You are warned. From today, never you open your mouth to curse my daughter. Nor any other person in this palace.
My king.
You have heard me clearly. You are warned. Now leave.
No, your highness. You have to hear me out first. These people do nothing but lie against me.
You are warned. You are warned. Now leave my presence. Leave, I say!
My king, listen. She called royalty these people. We are now these people.
That is an insult.
She's already stripping us of royalty. You need to do something. Send her away. You went and married her. Wasn't I good enough? I thought I gave you everything. Just send her away. Send her away.
Ukeje.
What do you seek, Ekubo?
I see that your confidence will destroy you. Be warned, because very soon it is going to put you into danger. Now listen to me and listen to me very carefully. Do not ever disrupt my orders.
Your orders were against the rights of the people.
You talk about right? What do you know about the right of the people? How dare you challenge me, Ugewe? How dare you?
I fear no one. I will defend the people. And I say anyone you maltreat, be it you or anybody, I will protect them.
Very soon, I am going to put you in your place. Very soon.
I await that day, brother.
And what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Get out!
Obin, where are you running to as if someone took your piece of land? Kedifo, what is the matter?
Ikem, when an elder sees an atrocity and decides to bury it, death is what follows it. I'm going to the palace to report Ikobi to his father. Yes!
You are going to the palace to report the prince to his father, the king?
Yes! I will do that.
Are you okay? And if I may ask, what has he done?
My sister, Ele, returned home from the farm and told me how the guards forcefully wanted to take her to the prince. If not for the intervention of Ugewe, you and I know his motive. Ikem, we have kept quiet for a long time. Enough is enough. I'm going to the palace to report to his father. I'm going.
Wait. I mean, don't be in a rush going to the palace to report to the prince. Come to think of it, taking such an issue to the king at this point in time is not the best option. You and I know that. Huh? I mean, what are you going to tell him? What proof do you have? I mean, don't forget our friend Udo died of this same silly mistake because he has no proof.
Ikem, you baffle me. You surprise me sometimes. Why do you speak like a woman, like a weakling most times?
What?
Yes!
Nouah.
You talk like a woman! See, if not for the fact that you're my friend, at least you are also the youth leader of this land.
Yes, I know that.
You are supposed to embark on this mission with me.
Who?
Yes! Ikem, you disappoint me. I'm disappointed, Ikem.
Listen, Obinna, this is not a matter of being disappointed or not. Listen, facing royalty without a proof is like challenging the gods on a battleground. Don't you know that? Listen, Obinna, this whole thing can bring your head and your sister's head in the queen's cooking pot. In case you don't know that. This battle is of the gods and not yours. Think of that. Be wise.
mother.
Leave us. You're back.
Yes, mother. What is the problem?
They lied against your father and I.
What did they say?
Mother, what did they do?
Your father embarrassed me and I left. I left with my head bent in shame. Ugebe! Ugebe! Oh no. What have I done?
You are back?
Yes, father.
No.
Father.
You are so excited this morning. What is happening?
Father.
Come and sit down.
Okay.
And tell me what is happening.
My father. Prince Ikubi set his eyes on me.
What do you mean by Prince Ikubi set his eyes on you?
Father, on my way to the stream, I saw Prince Ikubi. He was staring at me. Hey, Father, the way he was staring at me, I saw affection in his eyes. I'm so happy.
My daughter.
Father.
Do not be so excited. For you are not yet sure. That young man, Prince Ikubi, is arrogant and evil. So, don't be excited yet. Let's just watch and see what will happen. You have to be very careful.
Okay,
do you hear me?
Yes, Father.
Go and warm the food and bring it for me.
Okay, Papa.
Ekema is all I could ever ask for. Her beauty is breathtaking.
You know, Obiachulu, sometimes I begin to wonder. I mean, do you know if she really loves you the way you love her? And the prince has not even set his eyes on her yet. Because if he does...
I don't care if the prince has seen her or not. Ekema is mine, and mine alone.
Obiachulu, you speak with so much certainty.
Yes, that is because when it comes to my affection for Ikemma, I can do anything. My rage knows no limit. Yes.
Let's not spend the whole day talking about Ikemma. It's already raining. How about we go finish up our work?
I've lost interest in that.
Take it easy.
Concentrate.
Binyalum! How dare you? How dare you tell lies against my mother?
Mother, is anyone talking?
No. Oh, I can only see a riffraff standing here. I am talking to you! How dare you? How dare you touch me with your filthy hands?
Never again! Never again!
Never again what? Now you listen to me. Never you step on my toes or my mother's. Don't even try it. You abandoned one forcefully trying to get attention. Ah! Are you stupid? How dare you? Are you so... Don't come close to me! Don't come close to me!
Oh! Sacrilege! Sacrilege! People are going to come. She wants to kill my mother. Come. You want to kill my mother? You want to kill my mother?
No, you listen to me. Stay warned. This is just a warning.
Mother. Please. Sorry.
Okole, stay away from me. Why won't you just let me be? Why?
Ma, you and I know I desire you with my entire being. I just want to love and cherish you.
Do you know what? You are nothing but a pervert. And I'm warning you on this day. Stay away from me. Okole, stay away from me. Leave me alone.
Is there a problem?
There is no problem. I was only looking for you, so I told her she's the best maiden there is for you in this kingdom. Or is that not so?
Yes, he's saying the truth. Obi.
How dare you? Okay, but how dare you push my wife down? The queen of this great kingdom.
Father, Queen Utonwa despises me so much. And she takes little thing against me. And she curses me. Father, it was only but a mistake.
How dare you?
And she shows no remorse. Father, this only shows one thing. That she was determined to kill her.
My lord, you need to do something to this girl. You need to punish her for what she did. My lord, are you not saying anything?
Father.
What would you want me to do to her?
Get the guards to take her to the village square and flog her in front of everybody. That would serve as a deterrent to anyone that thinks of committing such a sacrilege against the queen of the land.
Don't worry, my queen. I will handle her my own way. I will deal with her. Will you leave my presence? Leave, I said!
And walk like a girl.
If I... Obiajulu is with the woman I love. And there seems to be nothing I can do about it.
There is all you can do, brother. There is all. But you're scared of him. You're scared of betraying him.
I am not scared of him. I can't be scared of that riffraff. No! Obiajulu is a total failure to this kingdom. Well, he is only blessed by the gods with a good voice, and he sings to impress the women of our kingdom. I am not scared of him. There's nothing else to it aside from that. Nothing, absolutely nothing.
Nothing else?
Nothing, yeah.
But he outshines you, even if you do not accept it. That is what it is. Now listen. You are in good terms with Prince Ikuobi. Why not use his influence and take back Ekema?
No. No, Ifeanyi, I am not a weakling. Ekema will come back into my arms. I promise you, brother. She will.
Okay. If you say so.
I can't believe my husband, the lion of Umurutu clan, could defile my orders. It has never happened before. I cannot believe he let her go. He actually let her go.
Mother, that girl is something else. It is as though she has a way of communicating with the gods. She gets virtually everything she wants, everything.
Not while the Black Eagle is still here. She might win today, but tomorrow spells her doom. I would see to that immediately.
Mother, what would you do? I mean, what are you going to do to get her and her miserable mother out of the way? What?
That woman, Mwanya or whatever she's called, she is down where I want her to be. Her light cannot comprehend mine at all. As for that, her daughter, I would destroy her.
Agonia. Agonia. What I did to you the other day, you will remove the Ago from your name.
You surprised me. As if you used something on me.
Can I use something on you?
Because I was doing everything.
It's the natural gift that God gave me. Agonia, I removed the Ago from your name. You are long Ketania.
No.
Yes.
No, that is not possible.
Ago.
Does a human being answer Oketa?
My female. When you come out, you can answer Agonia.
I hope you do it again this time.
Hey! And I was screaming, Agonia. Hey! Kitania. Oh, get in there, man.
Agonia.
No, Kitania.
So what are you doing?
Do I get you something to eat?
I think I'm
Let me get you mangoes.
No. Don't.
You want what?
Apple.
You will not be able to perform this.
Are you sure? It will rather give me strength.
Your second wife has left. Nenuten.
Mother, what are you thinking?
We need to get back to the roots. We have to fortify ourselves.
Obina, what is it? Eh? I mean, you brought me out here because you wanted to discuss something with me. But since we got here, you haven't said a word. I hope it's not about your sister, Ele. Hope she's alright.
My sister is okay.
Then what is the problem? Why are you so worried?
Iyke, why can't she love me? Huh? Why is she rejecting me? Why can't she understand how I feel about her? How much I love her? Why?
Obina, I hope you didn't bring me out here to tell me you're in love. Eh? And if I may ask, who is this special maiden that has taken over my friend's mind?
Ugebu, of course.
Huh?
Who else if not Ugebu?
Oh no!
What is it?
Obina, I asked you before if you're okay, and you told me you're okay.
I'm okay.
And you said you're okay. And I'm asking you again now. Are you sure you're okay?
I don't understand.
I mean, because I don't understand how possible it is for you to fall in love with a fellow man like you.
What are you talking about?
Yes, now!
How can you say I'm in love with a fellow man? Ugebu is not a man. He's not a man. She's not a man.
Oh, no! Tell me, my friend, how do you explain the fact that the strongest person in Umuturu community and across the neighboring villages is a woman? Eh? How do you also explain the fact that the chief head warrior of our great community is also a woman? Let me tell you, forget she possesses the features of a woman. She's not.
Can you just stop? Stop it!
Listen.
She's not a man.
That is your business. But I am telling you, she's a man. Look, if you like, sit down here and keep thinking of Ugebu and die here. That is not of my worry. I am living here. But let me warn you, if anything happens to you, if you die here thinking of Ugebu, don't hold it on anybody. Then as for your sister Ele, don't worry about her. I will take care of her. What is it? Do you want to fight me? I am telling you the truth. You want to sit here thinking of that fellow man like you? I'm only advising you. If you want to die of Ugebu, I will help you kill yourself.
What am I hearing? I heard you're walking around with son of nobody. Is that true?
My heart beats for him, my friend.
Your heart cannot beat for a wretched and a pauper. Henceforth, I ban you from seeing him. It will not happen over my dead body. You opened your mouth to challenge me, Ubiajuru. How dare you?
The Kemma is mine, and mine alone. My prince.
Go on your knees, now. On your knees!
On your knees.
Father.
Macaulay, my friend. I can't believe the king himself warned me to stay away from my king. The prince, I could understand. But the king, I have never seen him this stern. It was as though it wasn't him.
But it was him. Did the prince make mention of anything?
Anything like what?
I mean, anything, as in any reason why he wants you to be away from Ekema.
Of course not. But it's obvious. Yes. He has his eyes on her. Or could there be another reason?
No. It could be true that the prince has his eyes on her, and that's enough reason for you to at least stay away from Ekema.
Ha! Never! It will not happen. Never!
Greetings, mother.
You look worried. Is there a problem?
Problem? There is no problem. I am just very curious.
Curious? Curious about what?
What have you done to father that he suddenly wants to get involved in everything that concerns me?
Everything that is our entitlement must come to us. You see, I have your father at the tip of my fingers. We must get everything.
Mama.
Eat. Let me attend to other things, okay?
Thank you, Mother.
Mama! Ugewe, I am sorry. But
what?
Mother! Hey!
How dare you?
You caused it. I am sorry.
I caused it. You even have the guts to lie against me. You poor pasturican barren woman.
Hey! Watch your mouth, young lady. I will not have you insult my friend.
Oh, really? Okay, watch me. Mama! My legs! I'm in pain! What happened? Mother! What happened? This woman pushed me down! You are such a grievous liar!
What is causing this disunity?
My brother!
This woman pushed your sister down. And I am sure, on the order of these two,
She is a pathetic liar.
Mother, leave them. They're all the same.
Amudo,
My prince.
you are hereby banned from visiting this palace.
Good.
And so shall it be. God! My prince, take her out of my sight.
and shut that mouth.
Oh, mother. It hurts. Yes.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Come, princess.
Yes, mother. Oh.
Mother, I was this close. I tell you, I was very close. But that woman,
That wretched woman would never step her feet into the palace again.
To be true.
Do not worry. When the time is right, we will conquer them. I placed a curse on them, and that curse shall come to pass.
Gebe, how do you mean?
I am very sure something went wrong. Omudo was shrouded in fear. It was as though she saw something, but she was scared to speak forth. I must go. I must go and meet her and ask her what it was she saw.
Gebe, please be careful.
I must go.
Be careful.
No matter what you do, you cannot stop the sun from shining.
Greetings, Omudo. Ugebe, the strong and undaunted one. What brings you my way?
I was actually coming to your farm. Please, I want to ask. What was it you saw yesterday? Pushing the clay is not just a mere coincidence. Please tell me, what did you see yesterday?
Nothing. I see nothing.
You have been close to my mother and myself. You have been her only friend. Please, tell me the truth. What did you see?
Because she attempted poisoning you. I saw her.
Who do you speak of? Please tell me, who do you speak of?
Be alone. She tried killing you. That was why I stopped her.
And I shall go confront her.
No! Okay, wait, please. Please, if you do that, my head will go for this. I beg of you, do not confront her, please.
Do not worry. I shall confront her.
Ugebe! Ugebe, please! Ugebe!
You may not understand.
I may not understand? Ikema. My love. What is it that eats you so deep? Talk to me.
The truth is that
I will not allow you or anyone take her away from me again.
Her presence is needed before the throne. And if you do not want the wrath of the king, then let her come with me now.
Ikema. Ikema. Move.
No, she will not lose.
Ikema!
Move.
Brother.
Yes.
What are you celebrating?
Fine. Today, I take what rightfully belongs to me.
Ekemma?
Yes, Ekemma. Today, Ekemma becomes mine, and mine alone. And anyone who dares to contend her with me shall face the other side of my wrath.
Eh? Ekemma?
Why not tell me I look good?
You look good.
The finest of them all.
I can see.
My children, I called you here for us to begin to see ourselves as one entity, one family, one indivisible family. Let us learn to live in love so that we be a good example to other families outside there. Have I made myself clear? Son.
Yes, Father.
What is it you desired of me?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, my son. Have you found her?
No, Father. This maiden here and my friend Okolie have been together. Not until Obiajulu, the son of late, infamous Wine Tapper, came with affection. Father, please, as a son of this kingdom, Umurutu, I want you to join them as they get prepared to marry.
Is that all?
Yes, Father.
Son, consider it done.
This when you are screaming my name, I hope there is no problem. I wish everything was. Do you know what?
What?
Your friend, I mean your closest friend, Okoli, my brother, has taken everything you hold so dearly.
Everything I hold so dearly? What do you mean by that?
Your woman, the song of your heart, Ekemma, will become his from this day henceforth. What are you saying? You still do not get it.
Explain more, please.
Okay, let me break it down. Okoli's eyes has always been on Ekemma. I warned him, oh. It's not as if I didn't warn him. I warned him, but he wouldn't listen. Now they are there in the palace, about to become one.
At the palace?
Yes.
Okoli, my friend, betray me?
No! No! Obiajulu! Obiajulu!
My king, I cannot accept him. I cannot be with him. I do not love him. I'm in love with someone else.
How dare you? How dare you talk about love? What do you know about love?
Now listen to me, and listen very good. It is either you accept him, or I have you beheaded. Speak out!
My king, I shall accept him.
Better.
Let me in. Let me in! Get out of here now. Get out!
Let him in or you will face the burning wrath of Ukebe.
Which father can you not see? Can you not see that she's the carrier of misfortune? For the very first time, my father, the very first time in a long while, the very first time we're having a swell time as a family, here comes the witch.
You are the witch. You are the witch.
Stop! Stop it.
Guard!
Let him in.
Father, since when did you become an arrogant king? Your reign has never been known to be of pride, anger, and unfairness. Father, you are the king. You are my father. Please, let her follow the person her heart desires. You cannot allow her marry who she does not love.
Gewe, my daughter, you always amaze me.
No, father. She has nothing but ruin to bring to this kingdom.
Inyalum,
Father.
she is right.
Thank you, Father.
Ekemma,
My king.
go. Go to your heart desire.
Thank you, my
Thank
king.
you, my king.
Thank you.
Hey. You dare me, Bignanum. You dare me. How dare you? After making mockery of us, you still have the guts to come here to challenge me. Are you mad?
You even went as far as trying to poison me and kill me. It shall never be well with you, you witch!
Evil!
Don't you ever
Raise your hands on me again. Let me go.
I will not. What will you do?
You wicked witch!
This is what you are. It shall never be well with you.
You have bitten more than you can chew. But now, I am going to stop you.
Who would stop me?
God!
I wonder why that nonentity always seems to get her way. Every time she speaks to my lord, she weakens him. I curse her. I curse her. She will forever remain the remnant of the earth.
And remnants shall you and your household remain for the rest of your lives. How dare you place a curse on me? Otonwa, with the same pronouncements you have made on my daughter and I curse you today.
Oh. Wanya, you are desolate and abandoned. Today I curse you. You will forever be desolate. Desolate defines you.
Look who is cursing. Tonwa, you are nothing but poison. But I am light. I shine even in darkness. Otongwa, darkness cannot even curse me. Oh, go ahead. Try it. And that hand will wither. Try it.
How dare you? How dare you?
Try it.
What has come over you? You lost woman.
What did you just call me?
Lost woman.
Shut up.
You slapped me?
You slapped him?
God!
My prince.
Take her. Come find her. Till I make my final decision.
Don't touch me. You can confine me, but you cannot break me.
Desolate. Desolate, that is what you are. She slapped you.
Very well.
I heard the sound twine.
Okoli! 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 Okoli, how could you do this to me? How could you do this to me?
That is because I have loved her long before you even considered in your heart.
You are wrong.
The love I have for her grows stronger and further than anything you think you have for her.
Okoli, once again, you are wrong. You are wrong. No one can love her, cherish her, protect her, provide for her more than me.
But I ravished her. I even made her beg for some more. She lied to you. She lied to you that she was untouched. She has always been mine, and that's why she trembles every time, just at my side.
You did nothing but rape her. Gods! I just realized how much hatred, how much evil, the number of demons contained in you. You are filled with grief. You are not a strong man. You are a weakling. You have no balls. The cord of friendship that ever existed between us, the brotherhood that ever kept us together, ceased to exist from this day.
I thought you were walking away already.
Nobody would take my lock. As I tie this to this tree stump, my husband, Agunaya, shall love me and my children alone. Mwanya, you dared me. I shall deal with you. I give you 7 days, and you shall be dead. And as for that, your daughter, no matter her luck, her strength, her gift, inherited or acquired, I will destroy her. In 7 days, she will go blind. So I have spoken. So the gods would stand by me.
I must put an end to whatever thing you have done here. It shall not work. Whatever thing you have done here, be it upon a commoner, upon a royal family, upon a stranger, it will not work. I, Omudo, a native of Umurut Kingdom, I destroy you. I destroy whatever thing it will be. I destroy you. Destroy you. Shall not work for you, evil woman.
Ugebe! My friend, you are indeed mysterious. She even refused having mates. Where could she be? Ugebe!
Yagazie. Why are you trembling? And what do you seek? Come on, speak forth.
My prince, I'm in search of my friend Ugebe.
She's indisposed for the time being. You may need to go now and come back some other time.
Okay, my prince.
Why are you so scared? And so much in a haste to leave my presence?
My prince...
You're trying to be cautious of what your friend, my insolent sister, told you about me. Isn't it?
No, my prince,
then
no.
What is it?
My lord, I made your favorite dish, pounded yam with bitter leaf soup, filled with dry fish and antelope meat.
Where is Ugebe, my jewel? Where is Ugebe, my jewel, and the Mwanya? Sometimes it surprises me how you hold me spellbound. And it always takes me time before I can realize myself.
My lord, what you're saying is totally...
I asked you a question. Where are my jewels?
Father, why are you so insensitive?
Get out from my presence now. Get out!
No matter what you do, cannot stop the sun from shining.
Mother, I'll be in my hut.
What if he tries to harm us? What are we going to do?
There are no what ifs, Ekema. It is you and I alone.
Then we have to be very careful in this kingdom.
Don't bother about that. We will be fine. Come into my arms and find peace.
Omaudo, my friend, my defender. I want to thank you for being there for me. Both of us have crossed a lot of hurdles, remember?
Mwanya, my friend. First, thank you very much for convincing your husband, the great lion, to reverse the punishment on me from coming into the palace. You know, you are a great woman. A woman with a good heart.
Thank you.
There are so many people that want to destroy you, but they are scared of the light in you.
Amudo, what are you talking about?
There's only one person who wants to kill you, and that person is very close to you.
Amudo?
Yes. I saw her go into the bush near the stream, tying an ancient cloth, making some pronouncements. I can swear to you, she was casting a spell on you.
Nobody would take my luck. As I tie this to this tree stump, my husband, Agunaya, shall love me and my children alone. Mwanya, you dared me. I shall deal with you. I give you 7 days, and you shall be dead. And as for that, your daughter, no matter her luck, her strength, her gift, inherited or acquired, I will destroy her. In 7 days, she will go blind. So I have spoken.
Otonwa. Yes. When she came out, I went there and destroyed everything. I destroyed it.
What are you saying, Okoli?
You heard me right. There is no other option.
You want to take a life? That is an abomination, Okoli. And the gods will not spare your life.
My life ours. Our lives.
May the gods forbid it. Count me out. Count me out.
One thing is certain, I am not doing it alone. You're always with me.
I cannot and I will never have my throne mocked. I have to make preparations. So when I'm called, when my time is up, I will go in peace. Though I know my time is still far. As you can see, I am still hale and hearty. But then, I called you all here now to pass a very, very important information to you. Ikobi.
Yes, Father.
I have decided that, due to your incompetence, that you can never wear my crown.
Igwe.
Father, what did you just say?
You heard me clearly.
I know you must be joking. Aren't you?
Igwe, Ikobi is your only son, the heir to the throne.
And that is my word. And my word is my bond. I shall reach you for further information, if need be. Meanwhile, as I said, Ikobi will never ascend this throne.
I see. I see.
Ifeanyi, I think we need to move a little bit more closer. Okoli, what if there is no what if? This is a debt his father owed our father that he never got to pay. Remember that our farmland they took from us. They still farm on it still today and they claim it belongs to them. Obiajulu has always spied us.
But Obiajulu is your friend. He's your friend.
He is never my friend. All the things he did to spite me. Today I must take my revenge.
Okoli.
Don't Okoli me. Don't Okoli me. If you are not with me on this one, you better go back. Let me know I am in this all alone.
Wait.
That was awesome.
You like it?
Yes. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. You know what? It took me days to practice this song just for you. And I'm so happy you love it.
I shall be on my way now. Oh, come and help me.
Okay. Are you okay now?
Yes. Come with me. Then we shall return together.
Ekema. Let me be here and wait for you. And stare into nature's beauty. why I compose new songs for you. Okay?
Be careful the water.
Oh.
Okay.
Otonwa, the daring viper.
Takatuku, 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 taka. What brings you here?
I want you to destroy Ugezu. I want you to kill her. Send her 6 feet into the ground. I do not want her anywhere near the king.
Takatuku, takatuku, taka. Ugezu is a rare child.
I don't care if she's rare. I need you to deal with her. She's the only thing that gives Mwanya pleasure and peace. I need you to block her.
It is not possible.
Your plots has been brought to naught. There is nothing else I can do to help you.
Now you have to go and look for another way to destroy her. I can't help you again. Go now. I am the only heir to this throne. And no one, absolutely no one, will stop that. Not even you, father.
You dare me? It could be you dare me!
It has always been that way. And so be it.
Ikobi, please. You have to calm down.
No one will stop me. No one.
No,
Igwe.
You can say my reason for denying him the throne. But we shall see.
Time is nigh.
Time for what?
Mother, what do you speak of?
Amaka, my friend, this kingdom is turning into something else, and I don't think we're safe anymore.
This one will know whose daughter is talking like this. That means there is more to it. What happened?
The king told my father in the presence of the prince that after his reign, never should Prince Ikobi reign. According to my father, the anger on his face is enough to destroy this kingdom.
But why would the king say something like that?
If you ask me, who will I ask? Please, this is a very big secret my father confided in me, and I'm confiding in you. Let's go to my house. Let me show you that thing I promised you. I told you about.
I'm sorry, my friend. You see, I'm going to the palace to see Adana. She said she has something to tell me. But don't worry. When I finish with her, I'll come and see you.
Okay, don't worry. I'll come to your place instead.
Okay.
It has been a while I visited you.
No problem. Let me run along.
Alright.
my brother, you need to think about this thing one more time. Please. What if the god strikes us dead? Or strike any of us? The other will forever live in regret. Please don't do this. Don't do it.
Ifeanyi, listen to me and listen very well. I do not hear whatever you say. This is the moment I have been waiting for my whole life, and nothing can stop me from doing this.
Ugewe, my friend, your strength is not of a woman. For you fight with the strength of 10 warriors put together.
That does not bother me, Yagazi. Something else does.
What is it that bothers the great and fearless Ugewe of Umurutu Kingdom? The one who does not regard royalty or social status as anything before she makes friends.
And do not flatter me, Yagazi. The palace is in a heated crisis and something needs to be done.
Something?
I have decided on something.
Ugewe, what have you decided on?
Come with me.
Amaka, why are you crying? Amaka? Amaka? Well, whatever the case may be, my friend Iyke will take care of her. Okay?
Amaka! Amaka! Amaka, I'm here. Doesn't mean she's not back. Amaka! Gods of our land!
Amaka, please wake up. Amaka, please wake up. Wake up. Please. Don't do this to me. Don't leave me. Don't.
Father.
Binyelum.
Father.
It is quite surprising. that you are serving me food today. How possible has this been? It stuns me.
Father, maybe one day you get to give me the affection you used to show me. You do not acknowledge me at all.
Binyalum,
Father.
All I want is peace between your mother and the Moanya.
Oh, I understand.
See, I want us to live in peace and harmony. No one knows when the Green River beckons.
Exactly, Father.
This is well prepared.
I took my time. Father, are you okay? Father?
Yes, yes.
Eat.
Yeah. I'm not feeling too fine.
Why? How? What is wrong?
Please, call me.
Father.
Go and call me. Go and call.
Who?
My king. Sojourn to the land beyond and never come back. Your time is up.
You!
Your words are powerless. Go well, Father.
Ikobi.
Yes, Father.
I have decided that due to your incompetence, that you can never wear my crown.
Igwe.
Father, what did you just say?
You heard me clearly.
I know you must be joking. Aren't you?
Igwe, Ikobi is your only son, the heir to the throne.
And that is my word. And my word is my bond. I shall reach you for further information, if need be. Meanwhile, as I said, Ikobi will never ascend this throne.
Your words are powerless. Go well, Father. It is my time to rule.
Let's help. Father, let's help you so you die in peace. Eh? Die in peace, eh? Come. Slowly, Father. Just lie here.
It is my time to rule.
Obi! Obi! Obi Atolo! Obi! Obi, what's up? It's me, Obi! Obi Atolo! Somebody help me! Obi, wake up! Stop this now! I don't like this kind of jokes! Obi! Obi!
Dead men tell no tales.
So
it was you, Okoye.
Yes, it has always been me, Ekema. I begged for your love. But what did you do? You chose him over me.
How could you? Okoye, how could you conceive such evil in your heart to kill and take the life of an innocent man?
You all are evil. You are responsible for my father's death.
Shut up! If I shut your mouth with a slap. The king is dead. Everything has changed. My son, Ikobi, is the king.
Ikobi can never ascend the throne. Never.
I am already there. I need no coronation. I am the new king of Umurutu. And no one can stop that. No one! No one!
All hail the new king of Umurutu clan.
No way. No way.
Onye!
I'm coming. Hey, Ukeje, you came back again? Did you forget anything?
You look worried. What is it? I just got back to the palace, only to find my father, the king, dead.
Chima! The king is dead! How?
I don't have time. I think Otonwa is planning to make Ikobi king without the elders backing her up. My mother and I are no longer safe. If what I'm thinking happens, I would need you to do me a favor. Listen to me. I would need you to do me a favor.
But my friend, who could that be?
I have her all to myself now.
Yet we are still hiding here. If you are so free and happy, why do you not take her and move freely? Because of a woman who would never love you. Look at what you've done. You took the life of an innocent man, your friend.
Ifeanyi, not as if you are a saint. So what are you trying to do?
I shall back out.
You dare not, Ifeanyi. You are so roped into this, and this shall be our little secret forever. Well, for his body, I already buried beneath the surface of the earth.
I'm roped into this, you said?
Yes, of course.
No, I don't think so.
And where do you think you're going?
I cannot hold this any longer. I'm going straight to the palace to report.
Oh, I wish you well, my good brother.
What have I done? What have I done that plunges me deeper into misery and pain? Anguish has become my companion. What have I done? Am I really cursed? Is this a curse I have to live with? Or is someone behind my predicament? Or could this be a mistake of accepting to marry the one whom fate took away from me? Why can't I just have a child like every other woman?
Mwanya, my friend, why are you moody? What takes away smile from your face? You don't need to tell me anything. I know it. And that is why I have come with a solution.
A solution?
Yes.
Please tell me.
In the dark and evil forest, there lives a woman called Uzizi. If only you can go there, your problem will be solved. My late father journeyed there so many years ago in search of a truth. Uzizi has existed for so many years and never dies. She is the immortal one. But my friend, no woman has ever journeyed there. It is only the men, the strong and the courageous men and the warriors go there. No woman has ever gone there and comes back the same.
I shall go.
No. If you will go there, you will have to go with a warrior who is willing to go with you.
I don't care. I shall go there.
You might not come back the same.
Let the gods kill me if they deem fit.
Eh?
Yes.
Mwanya, where are you going?
I am taking a journey to meet someone.
A journey? In this your cursed and miserable state?
You are mistaken, my king. This will also pass away, I believe.
You've come in search of me. But be warned, there shall be grievous consequences.
Uzizi the Great One, I don't care. Please help me.
Eat it when you get to your land. That leaves of edges, shall break the spell, and you shall give birth to your child. Be warned! There shall be grievous consequences. For no woman tarry the land of Black Forest and leaves the same. You can go.
Okay.
Mwanya, where have you been? I've been worried about you.
You? Worried about me? Otonwa, please, don't make me. make me laugh.
I am a woman. I understand how you feel. confused, desolate, shrouded in pain and guilt.
I will not give you the pleasure of bringing me down.
Excuse me for bringing you down. You're already down. Can't you see where you are? It takes a woman to give birth without hurdles. Amosu. That is what you are. Let me get out of here before you put your claws on me. Amosu. Nenia, you've eaten the baby in your womb. Don't drop one tear. Witch. Please. You fly around morning, afternoon and night. Don't you get tired? Witch. Oh, Your Highness.
Yes.
You know, when our son Ikobi becomes the next king, I'm sure he's going to bring in a lot of changes that will be beneficial to this kingdom.
I believe so. But only if he can give me a listening ear.
He's my king.
Yes. What is it?
Your queen has just given birth to a beautiful goddess.
What?
She
My
has
wife has
arrived
delivered?
Yes.
Take me to her! Take me
Not
to her!
right.
I am coming. I'm coming. Soon I'm coming.
No. It's not possible. It's not possible. How can she give birth? I tried my possible best. Sumezu, you're a failure. What should I do next?
And that is not all. On your way to the forest of black secrets, you were possessed by forces of men. Because you are having a child, they had pity on you and possessed your child with their endless strength. They were going to turn her into a male, a fearless one, all through the land of Umurutu. But it was late. And that was their torment. You paid the debt unknowingly. Now, go back and reclaim your stolen glory. Your daughter shall ascend the throne.
Ozizi, a woman ascending the throne?
She must ascend the throne in order for Umurutu Kingdom not to remain desolate and abandoned. She must ascend the throne, for Ikobi's reign will bring calamity upon the kingdom of Umurutu.
Nobody dares with me. And if you dare with me, you will receive the wrath of Ukeje.
Iyke, my friend.
So, tell me, how did he go?
Obinna, do you know I would have been a dead man by now? If not that Ugezu intervened. All thanks to your friendly advice.
Wait, does that imply mission failed?
Yes, its mission failed. Maybe by now I would have been hung in the evil forest. All thanks to your friendly advice. Listen, let this be the first and the last time. Anything that concerns murdering King Ikobi, count me out of it, because I will not be a part of it. Leave this fight for the gods and Ugezu to handle.
Wait, did you say Ugezu? I mean, you want to tell me that Ugezu is back in this land? My love is back. Hey!
Yeah?
God of my land! My love is back! Ugezu is back! Iyke, my love is back.
Are you okay?
Ugezu is back! Ugezu is back! My love is back! My love is back!
My love, this was the last place we met before they decided to take you away from me. Why is this world full of the wicked? Why?
Obiajulo, I can see you both are having a good time. Remember, we have to go check our traps. At least to see if we get some bush meat today.
Oh. That is true. But you know what? I'll come after you. Just go, eh? Go. I'll meet you there. Just go.
It will be best we go together.
Before you will say I have removed the meat. You will say I have removed the meat. Let us go. He will say I know him. He will say I have removed the bush meat from the trap. Let us go. Let us go.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
What if he tries to harm us? What are we going to do?
There are no what ifs, Ekema. It is you and I alone.
Then we have to be very careful in this kingdom.
Don't bother about that. We will be fine. Come into my arms and find peace.
Obiajulo.
That was awesome.
You like it?
Yes. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. You know what? It took me days to practice this song just for you. And I'm so happy you love it.
I shall be on my way now. Oh, come and help me.
Okay. Are you okay now?
Yes. Come with me. Then we shall return together.
Ekema. Let me be here and wait for you. And stare into nature's beauty while I compose new songs for you. Okay? Be careful the water.
Oh.
Okay?
Girl is back to the palace. Ugezu says he knows nothing of the whereabouts of the crown. Ukeje doesn't have it.
Where could it be, mother? Where?
I do not know. I am scared of what might come out of it.
If the lioness is scared, what does she expect of her cub?
I will take care of everything. But how I am going to do it, I do not fathom.
Mwagurum jala jeleja. Mwagurum jala jeleja. Mwagurum jala jeleja.
I ask you a question. How dare you desecrate my kingdom?
It has never been recorded in history. But today I have come to take what rightfully belongs to me. Yagazi,
Mwagurum jala jeleja. Mwagurum jala jeleja.
Yakazi.
Mwagurum jala jeleja.
So you connived with her?
Just the way you connived with your mother and your sister. You killed the king and took his crown.
Mwagurum jala jeleja. Mwagurum jala jeleja. Mwagurum jala.
Binyelum,
Father.
It is quite surprising that you are serving me food today. How possible has this been? It stuns me.
Father, maybe one day you get to give me the affection you used to show me. You do not acknowledge me at all.
Binyalum,
Father.
all I want is peace between your mother and the Mwanya.
Oh, I understand.
See, I want us to live in peace and harmony. No one knows when the Green River beckons.
Exactly, Father.
This is well prepared.
I took my time. Father, are you okay? Father?
Yes, yes.
Eat.
Binyalum, I'm not feeling too fine.
Why? How? What is wrong?
Please, call me.
Father.
Go and call me. Go and call.
Who?
My king. Sojourn to the land beyond and never come back. Your time is up.
No!
Your words are powerless. Go well, Father. It is my time to rule.
Let's help. Father, let's help you so you die in peace. Eh? Die in peace, eh? Come. Slowly, Father. Just lie here.
It is my time to rule.
Etomi! My king! Mother! Etomi!
He's alive!
Etomi! Look! Mother, see!
Gods! I see where?
Please, don't do this! Mother, help me! Mother, see! He's dead! What is this? Mother!
The gods are not asleep! The gods are not asleep.
Lala 1! Yes, that's who you are! Lala 1! That's who you are! Come!
Lala 1!
That's who you are!
Lala 1!
Lala 1!
Mother!
Lala 1! Lala! Please! Don't do this! You're a woman! You're a man! You're a man! Mother! Hey! What are you
What have you done?
Leave my presence.
Mother!
Take her out of here.
No, don't touch me! 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 Move! I will follow you! I will go! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! He can't be one more! He can't be! I will go! I will go! Move it! I will go! I will go!
And I say to you all, today there shall be no more killing and pains in Umurutu Kingdom. And tomorrow I shall become king of Umurutu Kingdom. Guards, get the elders.
Ghost of our land! I can no longer hear from you. Speak to me. Speak to your humble servant again. Give me one more chance. I will amend my ways. Please.
It is too late. Your time is up, Ozokwor. Your time is up.
No matter what you do, cannot stop the sun from shining. Ukochala chachago, imana diye kuchafima, mananya mugachake. Miri marugo, okwayasa zirugaru. No competition in destiny. God bless no man can come. Una fulo mwachi tere manu, mwachi tere manu. Webu mwachi tere manu, mwachi tere manu. Emenu mana, emenu mana, mananya mugachaki. Una fulo mwachi tere manu. Emenu mana, emenu